Are you fed up with paying premium prices for your Nespresso pods? Would you like to find an alternative that works in the machine and tastes good? In this video, I will run you through the taste qualities, functionality and value element of the Dualit coffee pods. In today's review, I will be looking at Dualit Intense Espresso pods, but Lungo Espresso pods are also available and they have a strength rating of 7, so they're not as intense. You can find links for both items in the descriptions below. On the taste description, it says our well-balanced medium strength Lungo is perfect for an espresso or smooth Americano, exuding notes of rich cereal treacle and a dried fruit finish. So as I mentioned, I will be looking at the Intense Espresso pods today because that's our coffee of choice in the home living household. We like our coffee strong. So if you don't like your coffee so strong, I would go with the Lungo. The tasting notes said it's a full body intense espresso, has notes of roasted nuts, molasses and an indulgent dark chocolate finish. It's suitable for ristretto, espresso, cappuccino and latte. It has a strength of 10, so that's the maximum you can go to. And it's originated from a fair trade certified, traded, audited and sourced from fair trade producers. So that's amazing. You couldn't get any better than that. If you want any more information, please visit the website. I have put links in the description below. So now we are unboxing our Dualit coffee pods, and sometimes they come in 6 boxes of 20 or 4 boxes of 30. Today these are 4 boxes of 30. And we will open the box to see the quality of the capsule itself. So here we have the Dualit Intense Espresso pods. Before we go into this, I should mention that I have tried several brands of compatible pods over the years, and I have found them to be quite wanting in that some of them have either not pierced properly, some of them have left a lot of grains in the coffee. So there was one brand that even flooded my coffee machine. So these pods have been very successful for me. And although the foil at the top on this one isn't as robust as the Nespresso one, the plastic is perfectly fine. It's very firm, and there are details in the descriptions below on the recycling. This is a very good all-round pod and is very robust. So now's the time to talk about the functionality of the pod, how effective it is in the machine. So I'm going to put the pod into the Latissimo machine at the top. And before that I will pull the stand out from my smaller espresso cup. So in it goes. Notice the foil at the front. I will show you how it's pierced in a moment when we've finished. I'm going to put my cup underneath now, collect that lovely coffee, don't spill a drop, and here we go. And you can see there's a nice froth on the top. Sometimes with the cheaper capsules you don't get that. Obviously that's something that you get with your Nespresso capsules, so we've always had that with the Dualit ones. Now with this double espresso button, I sometimes have to turn it off before the top with these tiny cups. I'm just going to turn it off now. Put my cup to the side. Try not to spill it. You can see there the quality of the coffee. I just wanted to show you the top of the pod and how it's pierced. Now, as I've said, sometimes with the compatible pods they do rip, but this one is pierced quite cleanly and there was no coffee in the bottom of the cup, i.e. no grains. So that is the Dualit coffee pod. I would rate that 7 out of 10 in total. The only Nespresso pod that would get 10 out of 10 for me would be the vanilla Nespresso pod, but everyone always has their favourite. So this has to get 7 out of 10 because it doesn't quite match to the taste, but it's perfectly fine for us during the week because it has such a good price point. If you want to pay the big bucks, then obviously Nespresso pods are the best ones to get. But for the price, these are perfectly acceptable. If you would like to see more content regarding Nespresso machines, I will be doing a tutorial on how to scale your Nespresso machine. That will be coming up soon. So if you'd like to see that, please subscribe. And if you would like to see any future content, I will also subscribe. Also, please look in the descriptions below for any information regarding the products that you have seen today. And also we're on information regarding recycling of the Dualit pods. Thank you for watching.